Kind of an interesting picture. I'm shooting a picture of the camera and the reflection of the hood, which is obviously, again, that midnight green, I call it. Almost looks black, it almost looks like a dark green, depending on how you're looking at it, but the hood is in paint. It came out fantastic. And underneath it, so I do believe it's been jammed underneath, so by that I mean it's been painted on the underneath part. It has been taped, but it has also been painted, I do believe. So we have the hood in paint. It looks great. As we move forward here in our paint job of this FZJ80.